reinforce their position. So one final question, what does Circle look like in 5 years from now?
Yeah. So, our mission is to build the Shopify for the digital economy. And I sound crazy when I say that, but it really is that simple, right? And so which is why I look at Shopify much like or I look at Circle much like Toby, the founder of Shopify, looks at Shopify, which is, this is my baby for the next few decades to empower that mission and purpose. And what's interesting there is, when I say digital economy, obviously that includes community, but also content. But I really do see the shift from content to community led businesses. So for me, like that digital economy is and are the community led businesses that we're talking about. And so over the next few years, we want to make it as simple and easy as possible for creators to show up. And even if you're not a creator, eventually it's anyone with an idea, a passion to build an audience, to build a community led business can show up. We extract out of you whatever you have to bring to the table, and we help you realize that vision and that dream. And so, when I imagine the product, our last 6 years were spent around kind of expanding the stack, right? So we started with community discussions, we added chat, we added events, website builder, email list, live streaming, live events, branded apps, workflows. We just kept going and going. But really, I think the next 5 years are about kind of making that stack as easy as possible to use and to scale with. I think AI is a big part of that answer. And then also, I think things like Discover are a big part of that answer, because something like Discover can actually help you then find your audience instead of relying on social media.